Hi, this is Wachabi, another unboxing, but this is something interesting in the sense that I got a new old stopwatch. As far as the brand is concerned, it's from NOS. So this is a free aviation notebook, still is plastic, interesting. But because this is the old stock, new old stock, unfortunately, I don't have a box. So my authorized dealer gave a rubber box, an extra rubber box for it. So this is the watch. This is the BR92. No, sorry. This is the vintage version of the chronograph by metal. So anyway, I'll give a full review very soon. Do follow the channel. Bye.